What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to the third episode of Yaya's Eats. Today we're making pasta Alfredo. Now I have another pasta Alfredo video on my channel from about 4 months ago. The only difference is in this recipe I will be using elbow macaroni and not penne pasta. I'll be using mushrooms and not shrimp, and I will be making my own Alfredo as opposed to buying the store-bought one. I think the store-bought ones have too much cheese in them, and in order to cut it, I have to add wine, and I don't want to do that this time around. This might be the new intro to my cooking videos, me just staring into your soul for like 30 seconds straight. But anyways, back to cooking. To a pan, I'm gonna add some olive oil. That's like the basis of everything I do, adding oil to a pan. Then I add in my mushrooms, which I washed earlier. No need to chop them because they will shrink anyways. And then I add in my spices, so garlic salt there. And then I go in with my black pepper next, and then Old Bay, of course. And then just stir it. When it's all done, I just pour it into a bowl because I'm gonna need that saucepan for my Alfredo. Now I just could have easily used garlic salt for this Alfredo recipe, but I went all out and got some garlic cloves from the store yesterday. This actually might be the first time I'm using garlic in at least 5 or 6 years. The last time I remember chopping up garlic was for my mom at home, so it's been a hot minute. So once the garlic is chopped up or minced, I add butter into a pan. That is going to be the basis of the Alfredo. So yes, just being generous with that butter there. And then to the pan, I add on my garlic and just stir until it's a bit brown. And then I add on my heavy whipping cream to the saucepan. How y'all like that slow motion? And then my spices, so black pepper, garlic salt again, and Old Bay, of course. And just stir a little bit. And then just let it sit and broil a little bit. And then afterwards, I add on a little bit of my Parmesan cheese, not too much. And then I put that away for a little bit and start to get my pasta ready. I get some water from the tap there. Add some olive oil and some salt, and then bring it to a boil. And then add on my elbow macaroni and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. So just like I use a knife to open up my canned tomatoes or any canned goods, I don't use a strainer when straining my pasta. I just use my lid and just pour it directly into the sink like I'm doing right there. Do not try at home. And that's my perfectly cooked elbow pasta. So over there, I just added everything onto a pan and sprinkled some green onions on top of it. And there you have it, in a new plate, no less. I went to the store yesterday looking for cookie cutters and I could not find any, but I did leave the store with new plates. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you replicate the recipe and just tag me on Instagram. I am at YayaChilling87 on Instagram, and thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on Tuesday. Bye!